The story of Philips began 125 years ago, when Frederick and his son Gerard set out their ambition to find new and original ways of improving lives. It's the spirit of innovation, of course, but also of partnerships with business, industry, and academia. With a simple core belief that no matter what life throws at you, there's always a way to make it better. By examining problems from every angle, by understanding people's deeper needs, by challenging the status quo on their behalf. This is how we turn unexpected possibilities into great innovations. This is the spirit that has guided us for 125 years and will continue to guide us into the future.
Innovation and you. Philips.